Welcome to my channel The Happy Gadgets. We are here with another video, and today's video is all about school supplies, stationeries. So if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like these projects, links to all the projects in the description box. DIY graffiti drawing fluorescent pen. These are very cute DIY drawing pens for the students who love drawings. You can also highlight your words with these pens. Cute Daisy Mini 3 Holes Notebook. This is a very cute Daisy Mini Holes Notebook. So if you like these projects, links to all the projects in the description box. Cute Cookies Sharpener. These are very cute cookies sharpeners for the students. So if you like this project, you must buy it for your kids. It sharps very well. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos, and also share my videos with your friends. 35 colors colorful pencils. These are very cute 35 colors colorful pencils. It looks so cute with unicorn head. You can open it easily. You can see how colorful and how cute it is. It writes so well. Creative Lock Stationery Box. This is a very cute, creative, multifunctional stationery box for all the students. You can also lock your stationery things. It's a unicorn pink color stationery box. You can open it easily and lock it easily. It has so many functions. It also has days on it. It also in blue color. So if you like this project, you must buy it. Links to all the projects in the description box. It's very multifunctional. You can keep all your pencils, your important things here easily. It has so many pockets, so many secret hidden drawers on it. So you must buy it. It has many different colors. Cartoon Bear Cute Large Pencil Case. This is another Cartoon Bear Large Pencil Case. It has so many pockets. You can carry all your important projects here, all your stationery things here. So if you like this project, links to all the projects in the description box. You must check it out. Waterproof Purple Pencil Case. This is another waterproof pencil case. It has a small pocket with it. It has so many zips, so many pockets. You can carry so many things here. Sponge Soft Gel Pen. These are very cute sponge gel pens in different colors, in different things, in different varieties, in reasonable prices, in a good quality. They are very soft, very fluffy. You must love it. Links to all the projects, links to all the gadgets in the description box. You must check it out. So if you have any other query, you must comment on the video. Funny Cat Paw Korean Pen. These are very cute funny cat paw Korean pen in different colors. Korean Sweet Cloud Gel Pen. These are very cute cloudy gel pens in two colors, white and blue. Very smiley face on it. You must like it. So if you like this project, links to all the projects in the description box. It writes so well. So cute. Girly Staple. This is a very cute girly staple, but boys can also use it. With stickers on it. Very large staple. You must buy it because all the students need this product. You must check it out. Links in the description box. Japanese Creative Press Pen. These are very cute Japanese creative press pens. Cute dinosaur egg pen holder. Now this is a egg pen holder, very cute shape in a dinosaur. You can hold all your pen, your stationery here. You can decorate on your desk. New fairy stick creative rainbow color pencils. These are very cute creative color pencils. Rainbow creative color pencils. Girls, you love these projects, you love these stationery things. You must buy it, you must check it out. Links to all the projects in the description box. 80 Shades 3 Holes Binder Notebook. Now this is a very cute binder notebook with 80 shades, with different stickers, different colors, with 3 holes on it. You can use it for many purposes. It's very cute little binder notebook. Kawaii Bunny Mini 3-hole loose leaf notebook. Now this is another Kawaii notebook. It's so cute. You can write your daily diary on it. You can write your notes. You can write your reminders. Simple canvas pencil case. This is a very cute simple canvas pencil case for the students who don't love very extraordinary things, so you must buy it. It's a very good quality in a very reasonable prices. So you just must check this link in the description. 10-piece Korean Flower gel pen. Now these are very cute pattern Korean Flower gel pens in different colors. They are very good in quality in a very reasonable prices. Kawaii erasers pens. Now these are very creative erasers pens. They erase very well. You can see it. Kawaii cute writing 6-piece ballpoint. These are very cute 6-piece Kawaii ballpoints. So if you like all these ballpoint stationery bags, you must buy it. Links to all the projects in the description box. Desktop reading small table lamp. This is a very cute desktop reading small lamp for the students who used to read and write at night. This is a very good for you. Large capacity transparent pencil case. This is another large capacity transparent pencil case with many pockets. Fruit Sense highlighter solid rotating. These are highlighters with fruit scents on it. You can highlight your important things, important notes, important points. These are in very different and cute colors. Students' phone and tablet holder. These are very cute tablet and phone holder for all the students who need this product. You must buy it, and links to all the gadgets in the description box. Korean large stationery case. This is another Korean large stationery case. Creative Flower utility knife cutting tool. These are very cute and a very useful cutting tool for all the students. You can easily cut your papers. Cute Kawaii all white desk organizers. This is a very cute organizers for the students. Moms must organize their kids' rooms like this, so they must read and write well. Kawaii desk organizer straw storage. This is a dream storage rush for all the students, for all the kids. Moms must arrange their kids' desk like this. How beautiful it is. All the students can easily write and read there. You must buy it. Links to all the gadgets in the description box. 3D Unicorn Creative Erasers. Now these are very cute erasers. You can also buy it in wholesale prices. Links to all the gadgets, links to all the stationery things in the description box. Desk storage round folding pen holder. This is a DIY pen holders. Very cute and very simple. In different colors. You must buy it. Links to all the gadgets in the description box. Cute castle pen holder. Now this is a very cute castle pen holder for all the girls out there who love fairy tales things. This is a very cute castle pen holders. You can hold all your different cute pens here. Duck shaped pencil pot. This is a very cute duck shaped pencil pot. So if you have any other query, you must comment on my video. Lace correction press tape type. So if you like my products, you must buy it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. And you must check it out, all these links in the description box. Mini cute lollipops, ice creams, popsicles, erasers. These are very cute erasers. All the students must love these things, must love creative things. It erases very well. So if you like any of the product, you must buy it. Yummy desert erasers. These are very cute yummy desert erasers. Ice cream shapes, donut shapes. You can also gift these erasers to your kids. Kids must love these things. Very cute. In a very good quality, in a very reasonable prices. Kawaii bread erasers. Now these are Kawaii bread erasers. All the Kawaii products are so cute and are so reasonable prices. You must buy it if you like any of the product. Cute biscuit erasers. Now these are very cute biscuit erasers. Very creative things. These are all the stationery products are very creative and useful. So if you like any of the stationery thing, you must buy it. 5-piece gel Korean Kawaii pencils. These are very cute Korean Kawaii pencils in different beautiful soft colors. With a lamp on it, with a lamp erasers. So cute and so beautiful to write. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So if you like any of the product, you must buy it. Links to all the products in the description box. Thank you for watching and listening.